Most people think you need money, experience, or connections to start a business. But what if I told you that's not true? Today, giving you 5 insanely profitable business ideas you can start as a teenager with zero experience. And guess what? The last one is the most powerful. Stick around, because you don't want to miss it. Number 5. Print-on-demand store. Imagine making money from your designs without ever touching inventory. With websites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful, you can design t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, and more. Every time someone buys, you get paid. AI tools like Canva or Kittl make designing super easy, even if you're not an artist. Just create, upload, and let the platform do the rest. Number 4. Social media management. Businesses need social media, but most don't know how to grow their accounts. If you're good at TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter, you can manage content, post regularly, and help businesses go viral. Start by helping small local businesses for free, then use your results to charge new clients. Number 3. Video editing for creators. With YouTube and TikTok exploding, content creators need editors. If you learn to edit using free apps like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve, you can get paid to make videos pop. Start by offering free edits, then charge $20, $50, or even $100 per video as you improve. Number 2. Selling digital products. What if you could sell something without ever running out of stock? That's digital products. Think planners, ebooks, social media templates, anything people can download instantly. Sites like Etsy and Gumroad let you sell with zero upfront cost. Create once, sell forever. And finally, the most powerful business you can start as a teenager. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. This is the easiest way to make money online. Companies pay you to promote their products using a special link. If someone buys through your link, you get paid. No product, no inventory, just pure profit. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Share links on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, and start earning. The best part? You can start all of these today with just a phone and an internet connection. So, which one are you going to start? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips. Check out our other videos for even more ways to grow your income. See you in the next one.